All right, live Doppler radar, very active at this hour. A messy mix of snow, sleet, and rain, unfortunately moving right through our area. That's expected to last through the overnight hours. Could make for a slick morning commute. Hello, everybody. I'm Rick Ritter.
And I'm Nicole Baker. If you don't have to go out, you are urged to stay home and off the road, especially tonight. A winter weather advisory is in effect right now, and it will be until the morning.
Check out what it looks like in Ellicott City right now. Wow, that's a change from just an hour ago. Really coming down out there now. Let's check in with meteorologist Chelsea Ingram, tracking live Doppler radar and what we can expect in the hours ahead. Chelsea.
The snow is certainly coming down across much of the region, Rick and Nicole, and some of it's coming down heavy in fashion. We do have some rain located in far southern Maryland and a bit of a wintry mix in the form of some sleet and snowfall in and around D.C. That'll follow all the way across the bay to Easton and Cambridge. But the snow coming down from about Bowie and areas northward. We have winter storm warnings in effect for western Maryland, a mixture of snow, sleet, freezing rain, ice accumulation nearing ½ an inch by tomorrow morning. That is going to be very problematic. Otherwise, winter weather advisories in place through Tuesday morning, up to around 2 inches of snow and about 1/10 of an inch of ice. That's also going to be problematic. So snow will continue to develop this evening. We'll transition to a mix from southwest to northeast. That's going to happen around midnight. We'll certainly be looking at some hazardous travel as well. I'll have the full forecast coming up in just a few minutes. Back to you guys.
Chelsea, thank you. Let's bring in Amy Kawada now. She is live in Baltimore County.
Yeah, Amy, we know you are focused on how crews are getting ready for all of this to make sure that the roads stay safe. Tell us more.
Rick and Nicole, we are just now starting to see a steady fall of snow flurries in the Timonium area. The roads are still dry right now, but of course with the wintry mix in the forecast, the main focus and concern is that black ice, and that's why transportation crews have been out starting this weekend to prep the roads.
Transportation officials at both the state and local levels say they're ready to tackle the wintry mix in the forecast overnight, with trucks all set to go.
We started pre-treating the streets on Sunday with salt brine solution.
In anticipation of mixed precipitation expected across Maryland, snow crews have been mobilized and will closely monitor weather and road conditions throughout the night. Officials say while the snow should be easy to move off the roads, ice could make things more difficult.
When we get to that I-95 corridor, that's the trickiest because that's where we're looking at the mixture of rain, ice.
In the city, the Department of Transportation spokesperson says crews are working around the clock to keep the roads safe.
Our goal is to make streets passable, and the best way to start is by making major arteries and major roads clear.
Officials are advising people to stay off the roads through Tuesday morning.
Stay home. It's safer for everyone.
But if you do have to drive, it's important to slow down, keep a safe distance from snow trucks, and avoid bridges and ramps as they tend to freeze faster.
Be aware of other cars and be aware of clear ice.
While the forecast calls for only a few inches of snow in the area tonight, residents say they're ready for anything.
Everybody stay warm, and when it snows, make a snowman. That's all you gotta do.
And officials say it's also important to make sure you have an emergency kit in your car just in case you get stuck. And in Baltimore City, residents can head over to snow.baltimorecity.gov for the latest updates on conditions in your area. Live tonight, I'm Amy Kawada for WJZ.
Amy, thank you. WJZ, of course, your winter weather connection with the most experienced weather team in town. Download our app, the WJZ app, for updated forecasts and information anytime.